out there in the country. We get them two boys come down there about milking time. We go out there and crack and fight one of them cows. She had a great big French pile. We stick a couple firecrackers, one on each side, and we tell that one of them, or a couple of them boys, said, "Come here, I want to show you something." Said, "Them cows," said, "You want to see what they eat and everything?" Said, "They eat ball and everything and nails." Said, "It comes out in their shit." And sometimes he did. I said, "Take this stick and stir it in there." Said, "See what he's been eating." So me and Marvin hurry up and like that, and we'd run back, and then kids would stand there and say, "Hey, where you going?" And about that time, that firecracker would go up and just blow shit all over them, in their head toe, buddy. They said, "Well, I gotta go home, work up, take a bath, take my car." They wasn't happy, and their mamas wasn't happy.
I don't think I'd want to hang around you with your.
That's right. Oh, we was always doing shit like that. We grew out of it.
That's funny.
What'd your parents say about seeing a cat laying in the yard with its asshole blown out?
Huh?
Your parents didn't notice you had cats out there dead in the yard with the asshole blown
Hell,
out?
there's our cat.
Well, I thought your dad liked that one, didn't he?
Oh, yeah. But that's after I grew up and we got older. Hell, I was probably 18 years old when I kept that dad's cat. I got done killing him and everything. Now, me and Nick, buddy of mine, old Murray Dixon, he got shot and killed. We used to go get cases of beer, me and him and Marvin, and take out his little Buick. We had to ride around through the country, up through Arthur. We'd see them farmers, these cats that they have dairy. They'd be sitting out on the road ditch, look, waiting for mice or baby rabbits, you know. We'd ride over there, we had 22 pistols. We'd go over that window down and shoot them motherfuckers, meow, jump about that high. When you hit the ground, they'd be dead. Went up through them almost couple of weeks, we all them motherfuckers. One time, about milking time, I know he was out in the barn getting the cows in. I shot this cat right across from the barn, and that fucking farmer, that Dutchman, he come out there, and he seen what we done, and he reached up and, like his shirt pocket, got a piece of paper and a pencil, like he's gonna write her number down, you know?
Hey.
Yeah, like he's gonna write her number down. I told Mark, I said, "Yeah, away, I'll take it." I was on the opposite side, and he was on the passenger side, or on the driver's side. Hattie had the window down too. I said, "Leave that." He's like, "I'm gonna write her number down." We went by, I took that 22 pistol, pow, pow, shot about that foot in front of him in the white rocks. That paper and pistol got, that motherfucker got back in the barn. He come out.
It's fun, boy.
How big a homeboy was he? Quite a few of them.